I think going into the program, I really treated my business more as a hobby. It was like, oh, I'll see what happens. And through going through this program, the structure was exactly what I needed to start taking my business and myself more seriously and really saying, you can't just throw these goals out there and expect them to happen. And this really caused me to create habits that now I can always go back to when I know, like, hey, I want to create some more clients. Okay, now I have these go-to things that I know work. So that was a really big learning for me. And then the second thing that I really got out of this was just the group aspect. In my past career, I'd always said, I hate networking. I'm not a networking person, but I was just in the wrong career because in this group, I've spoken to so many people, actually during sessions and outside, and it's just been wonderful.